can do whatever she wants to her hair, whatever color, because it's nice and beautiful and healthy. We're going to find out how she got there. We're here, of course, with Nikki Reed, WZPL Smiley Morning Show, along with Will Sadler, hair restoration consultant. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you.
Let's start with you. Let's rewind and go back to your journey to where this all began.
So I got to a place where I'd kind of just, done too many exciting and different things with my hair that it just gave up on me, and it said no more.
No more.
But I was, after about a year of it not growing, I finally got in touch with Transitions, and they were like, and I remember thinking, there's no way they can help me.
Yeah.
And they said, yeah, bring your head on over. Let's get it all fixed up.
Let's
and they
see
did.
what we can do. But I love that we're highlighting you, because a lot of times we refer to men, right? And we think of men, but this really affects women as well.
Absolutely. Lots of women come into our clinic. They experience hair loss. Hair loss is specific to, men and women with regards to what's happening, whether it's hormonal, if it's genetic, if it's medically related as well. So, or over processing our hair, so like in Nikki's situation here, so all the funky colors. But
so I want to see what this was like then before. Oh, they're doing it for me. Okay, tell me what we're seeing here.
Well, that's the sad face when I wrecked it.
You do.
And that was one of kind of our halfway through, I think, update photos, because it's been even longer since then, and it's gotten thicker.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it was a thick issue for you. It was becoming a little too thin, a little too fine,
and stopped growing. Yeah, it was broken.
Oh, okay.
And now I'm at a place where I can do all the crazy colors again because my hair is healthy.
Okay. So what are we seeing here?
With Nikki, she took a global approach with this. So it's not just treating with products. It's not an over-the-counter kind of situation here. So she did the CRLabs, which is what we're going to talk more in depth about today, which is a trichology approach. But she also did laser hair therapy and PRP, and really getting to the root of the problem. So products are great, but at the end of the day, it's kind of that baseline, it's that starting point to create the best environment for the treatments, also to help out with the overall growth of the hair.
I like what you did there, getting to the root of the problem.
All about the scalp. That's what I learned.
Let's get back to these products. I know it's called the CRLabs products. Explain this entire thing for me.
For sure. So CRLabs is a product line in which we've brought on over the past year or so. We've looked all over the world, literally, because this product line is actually based out of Italy. So it takes a trichology approach with this, which is literally the treatment of the scalp. We're not just focusing on the hair. We want to make sure that the surface and the environment is optimal for the hair to grow and do well.
So there's like a trichology test, is that right?
Correct. Yeah. So we take a with the trichology test, we're able to do pH levels, oil levels, hydration levels. We also use a microscope that's going to magnify and see what different type of oil levels or certain dehydration levels are present on the scalp as well, by using a blue light, which we'll talk about, well, actually now.
Well, this is what makes these products then so different, is because they're so specific and personalized, individualized to what's going on with this person's head of hair.
Right. Yeah. So as you can see in the picture here, you have different type of colors on the screen. So at the base of the follicles, you can see that there's some that are yellow, some that are red or orangish in color. So understanding the different colors that you're seeing will then also help with dictating what product line is going to be the best one suited for yourself.
Well, let's talk a little bit more about these products, because I see yellow, I see purple, I see green. So explain the differences and what these do.
So the yellow line is actually the one that I'm on myself. So it's I had a hair transplant done 4 years ago, and it's meant for oily scalps. So people that are going through hair loss sometimes tend to have more oil production. So this helps with neutralizing that, bringing it back to a more neutral environment. We also then have the purple line. So purple line is meant for people who have psoriasis or have dry scalp that need hydration to their scalp as well. This one actually has diamonds in it as well, so it's gemstones. Yeah, so it has diamonds that are ground down very, very fine to help with exfoliating the scalp. And there are also different type of plant stem cells that are utilized within these lines to help with the certain environment in which we're working with. And
you can't get diamonds over the counter.
No.
Right. Well, and that's what you mentioned. These are not the as seen on TV kind of products. Yeah, totally different.
Absolutely. And then the green line, this is the hair growth line. So this really helps with bringing the hair follicles into a longer anagen phase. So the anagen phase is basically the growth phase of a hair follicle. So it makes it longer. And so Nikki, that was her line.
In the green
and as you can see, obviously her hair has been resulting from that.
Well, I know not a one size all or one size fits all approach, which is good. It is nice and individualized to your needs. You can come in for a free trichology test. test, I believe, as well, which is great. Get the results that you want. Of course, you can visit transitionsindy.com to learn more, and we'll put that link on indystyle.tv. You just keep looking fabulous with this purple hair. Thanks. All right, Rayanne, over to you. She says as she goes back red, that's a serious decision because once she does,
I gotta stay
that's
there.
it. She's not going back.